going to go ahead now and move on to the Velvet Touch system. We use the Velvet Touch pad and our Engineer Stone soft polish compound. Same procedure, wet the surface, agitate your compound, place some on the surface, and with a new pad you may need more, so I usually keep it readily handy. I'm going to dampen the surface of the pad. The pad's designed to hold compound water and allow a lot of airflow. So because of that, it keeps the surface extremely cool, maximizing the mechanical polishing abilities of the compound, thereby giving us the ability to turn up the speed a little bit, but obviously we don't want to run full speed. Once again, we want to make sure that we create zero heat on the surface of the stone. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on there. Center the orbital on that. And once again, we're going to mix this around. And this pad has a tendency to soak up a lot of material, so it may be necessary to add more as we go. So I'm going to once again turn it on. Okay, I'm going to check the surface. As you can see on the pad, we've got some darkness on there. That means that we are actually working on it, polishing the surface. It's very fine polished, so this is what's going to get you your finish back. So I just want to take a look at it, see where we're at. See what kind of improvement we've had. It's always good to stop and take a look at the finish and see you know, where we're at and what we need to do. Yeah, we're showing significant improvement here, but we still need to go over the surface. I just need to add a little more compound to that. See where we're at here. Remember, shut it down, keep it moving on the surface, and remove the pad. So I'm going to clean this up. see where we're at. And make sure you clean it very well, because if you leave a little bit of compound on there, it'll give you that illusion of some hazing on the surface, and you know, you may end up doing unneeded work. So I like to make sure it's good and clean. Using my paper towels first, get the surface wiped down. I'm going to stand it up, and this sample anyway, I want to make sure I clean the area so it doesn't bleed over here. Set that down. Now I'm going to add a little more water. This time I'm going to use my terry cloth towel to really kind of clean the surface and get everything out of it. Roll it over. Just make sure I thoroughly dry it and get everything off the surface here. So, boy, you know, I'm looking at that, and well, the true test is, you tell me. Okay, I'd like to say a few words now. One of the advantages of the soft velvet touch pad and the array of compounds that you have at your disposal is the soft touch pad you can totally clean out. If you look at it, you can see it does have kind of a dark haze to it because we have been cutting the surface and polishing this piece of engineered stone. You can take it, for the sake of this video, we're using a bucket with some water in it, but running water is the best way. You can take this pad and you can clean the compound out of this pad. Like I said, running water is the best way to do it. And just rotate it in on itself. Until you get it thoroughly cleaned. And then I like to use a towel to clean up the rest of the surface. Take out the excess moisture. So now we're ready that we could apply a different compound. You can utilize this pad if you feel that you need more aggressive polishing power. You can use the velvet touch pad with your 14,000 grit or even 8,000 grit, which is very aggressive. The thing to be aware of is that you have to make sure that you thoroughly wring out and clean the pad, and then you go up to your next grit. But as you can see, I believe that we have accomplished what we set out to do. I'd like to take another moment and thank you for purchasing the engineered stone polish kit or the add-on kit. If you do have any questions or concerns, please contact technical support, or you can email us at our website and we will get back to you promptly. All right, thank you and good polishing.